My name is Zoe. I work in the accounting office here at Hacienda Ford. I think this is a competition about who can decorate the best, and I'm gonna win.
Hi, my name is Laura and I'm in the HR department. Today I was volunteered by Zoe. What she doesn't know is that I taught her how to bake, so I'll probably win.
I'm Daniel. I work in the sales department. Been baking as a hobby for about 8 years, professionally for about 10. I think that's why I'll win today. So good luck, guys.
My name is Chris. I work in the sales department here at Hacienda Ford. And one thing I would say is that they don't know that I've been baking since I was a young kid. As a matter of fact, my mother had a bakery business. So they're in some serious trouble.
Okay, so today for my cookie, I designed a pumpkin because what's more Halloween than a pumpkin? This is why we're here. We carve pumpkins all the time. It's gonna win. I think this is a winner.
Okay, so it's a Halloween theme. My inspiration was doing a scary kind of pumpkin. Of course, 3 minutes, you don't have much time, especially when everybody's scrambling, not sure what's going on, everybody's kind of confused, but I try to do as best I can. I mean, I wish I had more time, it would have came out a lot better, but I felt like, from the time that I had, it came out decent. Actually, probably one of the best ones up here. Yeah. And that's my 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Okay, for this round I got inspired by the paper napkin. I think it came out really well compared to these other things over here. As you can tell, I did some blood around it, the skull. I think I executed this very well. Thank you.
Put your cookie back.
Oh shit, my cookie.
Thank you. I just realized.
Okay, so my cookie is inspired by the pumpkin I carved today. It's a sugar candy skull, and I'm kind of upset it didn't use more color because they usually have a lot of color. But have you ever heard less is more? And I think this is pretty clean. Thank you.
Okay.
Hey, we need to get in and hire somebody in sales, man. That's a good one.
This is more right.
We have concluded, Zoe, you do not have what it takes to be a cookie master.
Can I stay to watch?
This hurts.
I'll get out the brain.
Oh, come on. Hey.
You might need an extra.
Oh, thank you.
For this round, I decided to go with something a little more simple. You'll see here it is a woman and a man, and they are thankful to have each other now that we are getting through COVID. That is my cookie.
You know the thing with Thanksgiving, right?
Yeah, I know. Sorry. They're thankful.
I'm just playing. My bad.
A thankful cookie.
So obviously, the theme was Thanksgiving, and I wanted to basically do a turkey to where everything was kind of visible. You kind of knew what I was going with, and I think I kind of accomplished this one. Like my man Danny said, knock this out of the park.
Okay, so for this one, I also did a turkey, but mine is a cooked turkey on a table with some floral decorations and just some little decorations on the bottom also. So I don't think I knocked it out of the park, but I think I did a good job. So I'll put my turkey down.
We have concluded who does not have what it takes to be the 2021 cookie decorating champion. I'm sorry, Laura, you have been eliminated.
Thank you for the opportunity.
It's me and you, Harry. The last round was Christmas theme. I did the Christmas tree, very detailed looking Christmas on the cookie with the ornaments and all the good stuff there. The snow on the bottom. Along with that, I have the Santa on the side. You know, ho ho ho, Black Santa, holla. Done. Ready to go. Let's go.
My cookie was Christmas theme also, right? So we did a little Christmas tree with a little star on the top. It's snowing. That's some good. There's a present there on the bottom too, okay, for little kids. I don't have a black Santa. I actually don't even have a Santa, but he still delivered the toys. So I think that's what counts.
The judges have decided, Daniel, you are our 2021 cookie decoration championship.
Yes. Yes. I just want to thank everybody for coming by. Like I said, I've been $100. Oh my God, this is crazy. I've been cooking or baking professionally for 10 years now. I picked it up as I was just a little boy. I was about 1 year old, but that would have made me 10 years of it. Either way, I've been baking for a long time. So thank you.
Disagree with the results of this competition. Yeah, he might have won the first round, but I won the second round, and I definitely won the third round. I believe my tree was a little more detailed than his tree. You can't even tell it's a tree, but I don't know how he won. The good thing is, he, prior to you guys making your decision, he did tell me that we were going to split the first 55th. He did say that, so and we shook him. So I don't feel that bad. You have a good day, guys.
We shook before that.